Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Jadeywadey180. Today's video is a makeup artist glamsformation, so I'm going to be teaching you how to get this look on my beautiful model, Amelie. So starting off, we have a super clean base, nothing on the skin, and we are going to prep the eyes with the KKW Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm just using the neutral shades and just blending out a light brown into the crease. Then we're going to be carving out the front of the eye into a cut crease with the Matte and Metals from Huda Beauty. This shade is called Faux Fur. It's like an ivory matte, and I'm just blending it out with a fluffy blending brush. So you can use any soft brown shadow that you want, but I am going back into the crease and kind of hollowing out the eyes. Then using a more flat shader brush, I'm going in with a little bit darker of a brown and just applying it to the outer corners. We can move on to the eyeliner. This is the brown liner from Persona Cosmetics. It's a really nice kohl liner, and I'm using it to create a very thin wing, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. I sadly didn't film this part, but I applied 10 individual lashes to each of the eyes to give that really fluffy, wispy look. For the foundation, she wanted a little bit more coverage, so I applied the Estee Lauder Double Wear in shade Ivory with a damp beauty blender. For her concealer, I used Jouer's Full Coverage in shade Custard, which has a nice pink neutral undertone, so it's really good for covering any darkness. And to blend it out, I used a flat foundation brush. I like to press and pat the concealer into the skin. It just gives a really nice blend. I'm a new fan to this brand, Milk Makeup. I love this contour stick so much. It's really light, it's blendable, it's creamy, and it's on the softer side. So if you're afraid to contour but you still want to have a nice sculpt to your face, this would be a great product to do so. And my beautiful model clearly doesn't need all this sculpting, but it's just great to have a little bit of shading to the face and to the cheekbones so that in photos, they really stand out. I feel like the key to a really soft contour and a nice blend is having an amazing stippling brush. This is hands down my favorite stippling brush. It is from MAC Cosmetics, and it's very short, the hairs, so it really blends soft. It makes everything look like it's just melting into each other, so there are zero harsh lines. I then like to use a damp beauty blender and a small amount of translucent just to blend everything out underneath the eyes as well as all over the face. You can do a little bit of baking if you want to, but she had pretty dry skin, so I didn't need to do much. With a fluffy brush, we're just dusting the rest of our powder on. I'm using Lauder Mercier Translucent. For the bronzer, I'm using the Bronze Jouer Duo, and this is the medium shade just to accentuate any of the contour and give her a nice golden effect to her skin. She seriously has the most amazing brows to start with, so I didn't need to do too much to them. I brushed up the hairs with the Brow Code Brow Gel, and then I went ahead and filled in her arch a little bit with some brown eyeshadow powder. For the highlighter, I used the Omega highlight from Marc Jacobs. This is probably one of my favorite highlights because A, it is so big, the actual compact and the product, and B, look at it. It's beaming, it's glowy, it's luminous. It's just a really gorgeous gold champagne-y highlight. For the lips, I love to use a lip liner when I'm doing any type of dark colors. So this is the shade Rouge from Jouer. And for her lip, I wanted to do something matte that was gonna last. So we use Fraise Bon Bon, which is also from the same brand. It's a really nice pop of red with a hint of like cherry. So it's really vibrant. Okay babes, this is the finished look on my beautiful model, Amelie. I really hope that you like this makeup tutorial. I wanted to do more of these for you guys because a lot of you didn't know that I am a makeup artist. I've been doing it for 10 years, and I am going to be doing some makeup classes in LA and all over the world, so I'll let you guys know when those happen, but let me know what you think down below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of my 180 Glam fam. Love you guys so much. See you next time.